So, looks like Logitech's finally cooking up a follow-up to the MX Master 3S. And about time, right? That thing's been around for nearly 3 years, and while it's still a beast, even legends need a refresh. The new one, it's called the MX Master 4, and thanks to Technoblog, we know it got certified in Brazil, basically Logitech's way of saying, yeah, it's happening. But here's the fun part. Someone at Logitech jumped the gun and posted a photo of it on Instagram. It didn't stay up long, but of course, a sharp-eyed Reddit user grabbed a screenshot before it vanished. At first glance, it doesn't look wildly different, and honestly, that's kind of the point. The MX Master design already slaps, so Logitech's going with, if it ain't broke, refine it. You'll notice the top part is a bit more squared off around the main buttons and scroll wheel. It's subtle, but it gives the mouse a more modern, structured vibe. Now, the side scroll wheel and forward back buttons, those got a little makeover. They're stacked tighter together and sit higher up on the mouse. That means the side buttons are larger now. Less of that awkward finger shuffle just to hit the right one. There's also a new thumb rest design. Gone are the old diagonal ridges. Instead, it's got these smooth, ripple-like circles that look like they'd feel really satisfying to rest on. Kind of like a tiny thumb massage while you work. Also up top, there's a green LED now, probably to show battery status or maybe other real-time info. Either way, way more convenient than guessing. The finish looks smoother too, like a more uniform matte texture instead of that mixed material look the 3S had. It might even be softer to the touch. Nice bonus if you're glued to your mouse all day. Now on the inside, Logitech's staying quiet so far, but fingers crossed they fix a few of the annoying bits. The 3S only had a 125Hz polling rate via Bluetooth and the dongle, which feels a little behind. Especially if you're using a high refresh rate monitor, and let's be honest, that rubber coating, it doesn't age well. It picks up hand marks, gets shiny, and on lighter models, it just starts looking gross. Also, why can't we store the USB dongle inside the mouse? It's a tiny thing, but when you're traveling or swapping work setups, it would just make life easier. So yeah, the MX Master 4 doesn't look like a full-blown redesign, but more of a thoughtful upgrade. Kind of like Logitech listened, took notes, and said, cool, we'll fix that. Let's hope the final specs deliver. Now we just wait for Logitech to make it official. Peace.